Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. I would say it's a warm, cozy, full matte Thanksgiving appropriate makeup. All those above. I wanted to do a makeup look that's a little different from what I usually do. I mean, it looks kind of the same, but this is pretty much like an all matte makeup look, and usually I like to go ham with my highlight. You guys know I love my highlight, but today I was like, no, let's do something different. Let's do it all matte. So this is the look that I got, and I am in love with it. I feel like it's super warm and cozy and chill. So if you want to learn how to get this look, I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so going straight into the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette in Ring the Alarm. I love just these like neutral tones, like this is just me. Okay, so the key to this look, I wanted to do like a full matte look, but I love highlight, so I don't know if we're gonna be extremely matte, but that's the goal. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I already primed them because I did my brows and I just bring the concealer down, so that is that. So of course, you guys know, taking my Morphe M441 blending brush, I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to take this shade right here to blend as my transition and blend it into the crease. Okay, so now taking a Morphe M514 blending brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is a more burnt orange shade. I'm going to be focused like on the outer corner, but also bringing it into the crease. Alright, now taking my Morphe M433 brush, which is more of like a flat blending brush. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Mugshot, and I'm pretty much going to place that like on the lid, but also blending it in. And pretty much just is like a gradient eyeshadow look of warm tones. And then just start blending it up. I like this brown tone because it's not super dark to the point where it's like hard to blend out. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished eye look. Again, super easy, just a whole bunch of tones blended together. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, and you guys, I've been in love with these lashes recently, which are the Bajari lashes by Jenny69. And let me tell you, like, she did such an amazing job with these lashes. They give you like the perfect amount of like oomph, but it's like a great flare. I don't know how to explain it. They're just so freaking good. I already worn them like a lot. And this is in the style #InstaHo, but I'm not a hoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Do you guys see what I'm talking about when I said that these lashes are super bold? I look crazy right now because I have no face makeup on. But we are going to get to that right now. The foundation that I'm using kind of contradicts the whole point of a matte makeup look, but when I put on the powder, it looks super matte, so don't worry. So for the foundation, I'm going to be using my Luminous Silk Foundation. I know right there, Luminous, that is not matte, girl. We know. So I usually use a beauty blender, but today I think I want to use a brush. I want to be different today. So I'm using this crown brush, and I don't know the number. It just says crown. So I'm going to take a little bit of that onto the brush. I don't even know how to use a brush. Do you put it on the brush? Do you put it on your hand? We'll find out. And I'm just going, oh my god. Oh, wait a minute. We need to prime. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Don't mind my dog. She's going freaking crazy right now. She's just having fun time of her life. This part is only going to be focused on my T-zone where I get oily the most, because if not, my face just gets super dry if I put this all over. To prime the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my Hangover Primer, and that's just gonna go everywhere else. And then like right under the eyes. and a little bit up here. Yeah, my face is hella freaking white. This is gonna fix it. Okay, I'm going to start buffing it into the skin. Yeah, I can't do brushes now. Alright, so that's a big no-no for me. So I went to go get my beauty blender and we're just gonna go right over it. I don't know, I just don't like the way it looks when you use a brush. I don't know. Well, at least on myself. Alright, so now for concealer. Of course, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer. Oh. And I'm just going to highlight under my eyes. Like so. Maybe a little right here. Down. And then again, go in with my beauty blender. Okay, so now to set my face, I recently picked up this powder and oh my gosh, was it the best decision I have ever made. This is the Huda Beauty powder. Oh my gosh, no flashback, and it's not super thick to the point where you look super powdery, and it makes your face stay matte the entire day. Like, I literally wore this in LA on my birthday and I was out all day and I came home. What is on my freaking eye? And I went back to the hotel, not home, and my face still looked so good. So this has been my go-to powder at the moment. So I'm gonna shake it up a little bit and start setting my entire face. Although the scent does smell a little granny-like. So yeah. And I am in the shade Banana Bread. I went to 3 Sephoras and finally the 3rd Sephora had my shade because all the other ones were there except for this one. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. complexion brush and just put the powder everywhere. Dust it all over. Now I'm taking my Luxie small contouring brush and applying the powder up here. We want to look matte today, okay? And after using this powder, I don't think you can get any more matte than this. Is it just me, or after you set your face, do you touch it to make sure you got everything? Because anything that feels sticky, I'm like, blend. Now that I am done setting my face, we're gonna go ahead and bronze it up because your girl is looking flat and white. Whew. So you guys know my go-to bronzer, so I'm taking my Benefits Hoola bronzer and using a Morphe R14 brush. I'm going to use this to define the contour. And then I'm gonna go in with this crown brush. Again, all my numbers rub off. But it's like a slanted contour brush, and just to blend out the contour. And when I go in with this brush, the R14 brush, I like to go in lightly and in like circular motions, because if not, it's gonna be like a harsh line, and girl, you do not want that. Bring it down here, define that jawline, that double chin. Of course, bronze up the forehead. I'm gonna go back into my Huda Beauty powder and grab my beauty blender. Take a little bit of powder and just carve out the contour. Alright, so now for blush, you guys know my go-to blush recently has been the Sigma Cor de Rosa, like open it, blush. I got this sent to me in like a PR package. Oh my god, that sounds so cool to say. This blush is bomb. The other day my cousin was using it, she was like, that Sigma blush is so good. I was like, girl, I know. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to be using this using my Stippling 204, and I'm going to be using my Stippling 204 brush to apply the blush. A little bit on the nose. I'm debating if I should do highlight since this is a matte look, but I can't do a look without highlight. What if we just do like a tad bit of highlight? All right, so my friend recently gave me this highlight from Juvia's Place, and I was like, I really want to use it. She gave it to me yesterday. Shout out Liliana. But I don't know if I should use it. Oh, by the way, this is in the shade Nefertiti? No, Nefertiti. Yes. This is the loose highlight in Nefertiti. So I think I'm just gonna take very little on a fan brush, my Morphe M310 fan brush. Just apply, that's a lot. Just dust them off. Just a slight glow. Okay, I don't wanna go too ham because I can go ham with highlight. Let me blend out this translucent powder. Okay, so let me go back into the Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill to smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm going to pretty much mix all of the shades that I use on my eyes. So this one, and that one, and maybe a little bit of Secret just to give it like a darker look. But yeah, just pretty much a little tad. And smoke out the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna slightly highlight my inner corner very, very lightly because again, this is a matte look. So I'm gonna go back into Juvia's Place highlight and just take whatever excess that I have here and apply that into the inner corner. All right, so now for the lips, I was going through my makeup drawers and I was like, I wanna do something different, not just my usual nude lip, you know? So I was like, oldie but a goodie right here. This is the Kylie Jenner. This is the Kylie Jenner lip kit in Ginger. This was like my go-to fall lip, and I don't know, I just kind of stopped using it, so I was like, why not bring it back today for this video? I'm going to be lining my lips using my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. And then take the Kylie Ginger liquid matte lip. I haven't used this in a while, so I hope the formula is still good. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much because I remember the matte lipsticks being super matte and crusty, so this will do. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to set the entire face, and I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, so that is all for today's tutorial. This is the finished matte fall warm cozy makeup look. So I was thinking like of what to film, and I was like, I haven't really done a fall makeup look, and a lot of people wanted to see that, so here it is. And I also want to do something different because I always go for like the harsh, not harsh, but like the hardcore glowy dewy wet look, but today it's just like chill matte cozy makeup. So I am waiting for my James Charles palette to get here. I ordered the day it came out and I haven't got my shipping confirmation yet, so I'm like, ugh. I'm literally this close, this freaking close to going to like drive to the Morphe store, but the Morphe store is like an hour away from here, and I just need to be patient. I just need to tell myself to chill and be patient. But I just want you guys to know to stay tuned for my James Charles tutorial review, you know, like the whole freaking shebang of the James Charles palette, because I am so excited. And also I may or may not be giving a James Charles palette away, so make sure you go and watch that video once it is up. Once I get that palette, I'm not even kidding, I'm just sitting down, dropping everything and filming. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Well, you guys probably do because you can tell my voice. Oh my god, I love James Charles. He's such a goal. Okay, we'll get to him in the James Charles video. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look, and this is very Thanksgiving appropriate. It is not too harsh. It's not gonna be like, damn, like that family member wears a lot of makeup, she's caked. Actually, no. If they think that, go ahead and think that, because I think it looks freaking bomb. Well, yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
dancing, we dancing,